Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Gann Gold EA, and to be clear right from the start, this EA is available for both MT4 and MT5, so you can run it on either platform without any issues. But before we proceed, remember that you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. It's a nice option if you want something more flexible alongside what I'm reviewing today. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and this is the Gann Gold EA by Elif Kaya. It's currently listed at 99 US dollars at a discounted price based on what we can see here, although the developer mentions that the price is expected to increase over time. From the description, the EA is specifically designed for XAUUSD, which is gold, and it focuses heavily on structured entries using what they refer to as Gann patterns, all right, combined with AI based conditions. Now, whenever I see something like Gann in the name, I already expect some form of geometric or level based market structure, not random entries. And that is important, especially on gold, where precision matters a lot. They also highlight something key here: no martingale, no grid. All right, you can see that here: no martingale, no grid, and well, no scam. Okay, and instead they rely on a fixed stop loss with a defined risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. That immediately tells me this is a risk controlled precision entry system rather than something that tries to recover losses through position stacking. Now let's just break down how this EA is actually built and why that matters. The core idea here revolves around structured entries with fixed risk management. So instead of dynamically adjusting stops or scaling into trades, this EA defines its risk upfront. A fixed stop loss combined with a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio means every trade is designed to potentially return 3 times what it risks. The advantage of this approach is consistency. You always know your exposure per trade, and over time you don't need a very high win rate to stay profitable. But the limitation is also clear. Precision becomes critical. If the entries are slightly off, losses can stack up quickly because there is no recovery system like grid or martingale to balance things out. Now, the mention of Gann patterns and multi-time frame analysis suggests that this EA is likely identifying key support and resistance zones, breakout levels, and trend alignment across time frames. That's actually a strong foundation, especially on gold, which respects structure quite well during trending phases. Another important detail is that it operates mainly on M15 and M30, which tells me this is not a high frequency scalper. It's more of a short-term swing or intraday breakout system. Also, it is designed as fully automated with minimal setup. Now, while that sounds convenient, I always say this: you still need to monitor performance and understand how it behaves in different market conditions. All right, so let's just move into the strategy tester and see how this actually performs in real conditions. I have already downloaded the free demo, which we are going to be testing on the strategy tester on MT5. Okay, so we're going to be testing the XAUUSD pair using the M30 time frame. That's the Gann Gold EA. All right, so let's just select the Gann Gold. Okay, XAUUSD M30 time frame, and we are going to be testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. All right, let us start the testing. Okay, now because short backtests can be misleading, I would also recommend that you test this EA across a longer period of time. All right, now we got our first trade opening already. We have the EA active. If we take a closer look at this entry, price was breaking out of a recent structure level. You can see that the EA also paints this entry points and alongside stop loss zone and take profit zone, right? You can see this: take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So the EA actually paints those levels. Remember that the EA works with fixed 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, right? So this particular entry, this was the stop loss, this was the take profit 3. This For this entry, this was stop loss, this was the take profit 3. All right, so let's just continue. Okay, so we can see that the stop loss is fixed and relatively tight, which matches the idea of controlled risk, and the take profit is clearly further out, right, aligning perfectly with that 1 to 3 risk to reward structure. Okay, so we're about to have this one hit the take profit. All right, now notice something interesting here. There's no additional trade being opened immediately after, you know, that one, but then after a while you can see one trade now was added, right, in addition to this one that was existing, but it was not immediately. Okay, the trade was not added immediately, although that one hit stop loss. All right, anyways, overall what we are seeing is a system that thrives in volatile directional markets and struggles more in sideways conditions with false breakouts. Now, looking at the overall um, results of this backtest, which we are going to be doing now, I'm just going to skip to the end, and we are going to analyze the overall results. You know, we will likely be seeing quite a number of losses and, of course, a number of profits as well. But because of the risk structure, even if we happen to have more losses than profits, ideally, if the risk to reward ratio is 1 to 3 and we have up to maybe 40% of wins, we should still be in profit. All right, but let's just wait for the results to be out and then we're going to see for ourselves. Okay, we're just going to give it a couple of minutes and the results will be out. So I'll be back once the results are out so we can analyze it together. So the results are out, and based on what we can see here, we had a total net profit of $1,280. So that's giving us, well, a little bit less than 50%, right? Or perhaps, less than 40, a little bit above 40%, right? So we had 19 total trades, and 3 trades were short. Long trades were 16. Wow. And we had 50% win rate for the long trades and 66.67% win rate for the short trades. Okay, so this just tells us that the EA was mostly following the trend, right? Because the trend was bullish, and we can see that the largest profitable trade was $2,114. Wow, that's amazing. And the largest losing trade was actually bigger, 2,740. The average profitable trade was 792.77, and average losing trade was about 738.58. So this also tells me that the amount being risked was not fixed, right? We might have had a fixed risk to reward ratio, but it seems like the specific amount from the capital that was being risked was not fixed, right? Because for us to have the average profitable trade to be this and the average losing trade to be almost this, despite the 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, it means that we are not having a fixed risk, right? Anyways, remember that this is just historical backtest results. So they give us an idea of how the EA has performed under these specific conditions, but it's important to understand that these results are not guaranteed. Performance will vary depending on your risk settings, your lot size, broker execution, and overall market conditions. Also, since this EA relies heavily on precision entries, it's very important to test and optimize it yourself, especially across different brokers and spreads. So overall, Gann Gold EA comes across as a structured, risk-controlled breakout system built specifically for gold. The fixed stop loss and 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio are strong from a risk management perspective, and the absence of grade or martingale makes it more stable compared to many other gold EAs. From what we've seen so far, it performs best in trending and high momentum environments where breakouts follow through cleanly. But like most breakout systems, it can struggle in ranging markets where false signals are more common. So this isn't something you just run blindly, okay? You still need to understand market conditions and monitor performance. If you're looking for a more disciplined, structure-based gold EA, this is one that you would might want to consider testing further. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.